In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer match lists. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Ads. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google Ads account. After logging in, give the platform a moment to fully load the dashboard, also known as the overview page. Waiting for everything to appear properly helps make sure all menu options are available and prevents you from clicking too quickly before the interface is ready. When the dashboard is fully loaded, look at the top navigation bar and click the Tools icon. This is where Google Ads groups a variety of account features and management options. From there, hover over Shared Library and then select Audience Manager. Audience Manager is the place where you can organize and create audience segments for targeting, including customer match lists. Once you're inside Audience Manager, click the plus icon to start creating a new audience. A list of audience creation options will appear. From those options, select Customer List. This tells Google Ads that you want to build an audience based on customer data that you already have permission to use for advertising. Next, you'll be asked whether you want to connect a data source or upload a file manually. For this process, choose the option to upload a file, then click Continue. This moves you into the setup screen where you'll define the details of your new customer segment. Now enter a name for your customer segment. Choose a clear, recognizable name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple audiences over time. After naming the segment, select the customer type. This helps Google better understand the kind of list you're creating and ensures the setup matches your intended use. Then set the membership duration. This determines how long people will remain in the audience after being added. The right duration depends on your campaign goals, so choose a time frame that makes sense for your sales cycle or remarketing strategy. After that, add a description for the customer list. This is especially useful for internal organization, since it allows you to quickly understand the list's purpose without having to open and inspect it later. Before finishing, carefully review all the details you've entered. Double-check the segment name, customer type, membership duration, and description to make sure everything is accurate. Taking a few extra seconds here can help avoid confusion and save time later. Once everything looks correct, click Save and continue to finalize the customer match list. Your new audience will then be created and ready for use within your Google Ads campaigns. Thanks for watching.